want to just put a halter on there? You guys gonna let us put a halter on there? This is JoJo, right? JoJo. Let me put that on the other side. And I'll let you get the other one. Oh, here's. Whoops, I'm standing there. Watch it. Red, blue. No. Hey, Finn, I met. Step up. Yes, sir. Easy peasy. Copper and Stash. And the big older boys.
Copper, yeah.
Yeah.
Remember him?
He's huge.
I led him with a whole bunch of others.
That's right.
All the way from the second field, way over there, and he
yeah.
Till they started to get in front of him. Then he
ran.
In front, yeah.
Yeah. Then they went in front of him, and then he had to get in front of them.
Yeah. I couldn't.
Because he's the lead. So then he came right back here, though, right?
Yeah. Well, we followed him, and then one neighbor cut through the woods over there, but just so he wouldn't go down the road. But he just turned in here.
He knows. Yeah.
And went back.
They know. So.